So I'm going to say 2 words, and you're going to tell me what comes to mind. Rollen homes.
Elegance.
New adventures.
Customizable and fun.
So this is a little 18-foot.
Really awesome roof.
This is about as small as you want probably for a full-time live-in.
Tiny houses.
Quality workmanship.
And then you get an itemized quote where you can see where every dollar is going.
Trustworthy.
You may want to switch things up, save some money here, put it here.
Yeah. Awesomeness. Quality.
And then all the cabinetry we do here.
Artistry.
Tiny houses.
He's got a couple 6-drawer dressers upstairs.
Be able to move our house with us rather than move to a new house.
I think I want to get one.
Yeah. We all take a lot of pride in our work, so it's fun to show it off. This is basically a 3-bedroom home.
I guess we've been looking at tiny homes for a long time, a couple of years.
We really want to focus on for the social space, for the living space.
Space where we can come and gather with friends and family. I think for us, we probably want to, find a place we want to stay for a few years. It's affordability for the quality is really what it is. But then afterwards, we want to explore some different part of the country. We can take it a go.
Does the spiral staircase use less space than the regular?
We've actually visited another company that makes these. I would say the quality of this is superior. This just starts from scratch. You design it yourself.
I like quite a few of the designs that they had.
From the outside, I would not have expected what I found on the inside.
Looking online, I wasn't sure how I'd really like them.
Once you're inside and you realize how big the ceilings are and how big the bathrooms are, and
actually being in the spaces, they're really cool and really well thought out.
The amenities that they have in these, it's just as nice as having a permanent house.
I love the shape of the roof.
Especially when we're downsizing our family now, we're just down to the 2 of us.
You can invest in a home, but that investment doesn't have to stick you to one spot in the country, which is awesome.
You can order these online from anywhere, but I'd rather support a business and come to it in person and be part of the process.
We're gonna party.
Yeah!